In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a site in Framer. Duplicating a site is really handy when you want to reuse a layout, preserve a design system, or experiment with new ideas without touching the original project. Instead of rebuilding everything from scratch, you can quickly make a copy and safely iterate on it. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that, step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Framer account, then head over to your Framer dashboard. This is the main projects area you see after signing in. If you're not there already, you can usually get to it by clicking on the Framer logo or the projects option in the top navigation. On the dashboard, you'll see a list or grid of all your projects and sites, often grouped into folders or shown under a recent section. Take a moment to locate the specific site you want to duplicate. It might help to scan by project name or look for the thumbnail that matches the design you have in mind. If you have a lot of projects, you can use any filters or sorting options available to make it easier to find. Once you've found your site on the dashboard, move your cursor over that project card. As you hover over it, you should see a small icon with 3 dots, usually in the top right corner of the project tile. These 3 dots open a context menu with more options related to that site. Go ahead and click on the 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear, showing actions you can take on that specific project. Among these options, look for the one labeled Duplicate. The wording may be something like duplicate or duplicate project, but it will clearly indicate that it creates a copy of your existing site. Click on Duplicate. Framer will now generate a new copy of your site based on the original. This usually happens quickly. After a moment, you should see a new project appear in your dashboard, typically with the same name, plus something like copy or a similar indicator. From here, you can open the duplicated site, rename it, move it into a folder, and start editing without affecting your original project. And that's all you need to do to duplicate a site in Framer.